Namaste. Namaste to all of you. I am Vijayam Ravi from Mumbai, the most happening city of this country, and I am a proud Mumbaikar. There, they are specifically talking about self-confidence and self-management. Now, the process writing is a big responsibility for the English teachers, and our children also struggle in writing. We have all heard our children writing, saying the mothers will know it. The mothers will be preparing their children so very well for examination. All right. And every question the mothers ask, the children will also be answering. Pakka, send them for examination. They write the examination, come back. When the mother asks them, did you write the exam well? Oh, badhiya. Can I ask you the questions? They ask the questions and they give the answers. But when the marks come, it would be only 50%. Then the mother is upset. There had been several parents who were sitting in front of me, crying, ma'am, मैं क्या करूं? इतना बोलता है, all the answers he knows, but when he writes the examination, he doesn't know where is the marks going. I also checked when he came from examination. He spoke to me very correct answers. So teacher kuch gadbad karta hoga. That is what they say. It is not the teachers are doing anything. It is not there in the paper. He is not able to write it on the paper. Teachers won't do any such harm. Okay, what is actually happening is that the mind, Dr. Chino will be able to very clearly speak authentically on it, that the mind thinks so fast, so very, very fast. But the neuromuscular coordination, the hands, likhna hai, that is not happening. The speed here is not passed on to the fingers. Okay, the muscular coordination. So what happens, the mind, as far as the child is concerned, the mind has done its job. Thinking part is over. Writing part has not taken place, which is not what is happening. That is why the teachers always tell the children, please do read your answers once again. After writing your answers, they say that this is the simple reason for that. Writing is such a skill. Okay. This process approach in writing, how is it related to life? Correct question. I can say that it is very much related to life. Any problem happens at home, let us say. What do? We do not jump into an action. We brainstorm, we think about it. Ye kaisa ho gaya? How is it happening? Could there be anything else? Okay, a solution. A person who has self-confidence. Self-confidence is as though Bhagavan is there within you. You yourself are God, and so He is with you. That is what it is all about. I am winding up with a very small story. A bird flew down and sat on a tree, a weak branch of a dried, weak branch of a tree. The bird came and sat on it. The tree was very worried. The tree says, hello friend, don't sit on it. It is one of the weakest branches of mine and it may fall anytime. It may break anytime. I don't want you to get hurt. Here is another branch. You can sit on that. The bird looks at the tree and says, oh my friend, thank you very much for your hospitality. But you know, I am not sitting on this weak branch, believing in your branch. I am sitting here believing on my wings. When your branch breaks, I have my wings which will take off. So I will never touch the ground. Your weak branch may touch the ground, but I will not touch the ground. I have the wings. Like what Anita said, I have the wings. I have the wings of self-confidence. You have the wings of self-confidence. Your children have, everyone in this universe has the wings of self-confidence. You only need to practice flying and flying, flying and flying. Thank you very much, my very beloved teachers. Go teach your subjects, teach your children values, touch their lives. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Thank you so much. And, it's really very beautiful moment for me. I'm humbled and inspired by the nobility and depth and sincerity of the Hema Foundation, endeavors. So now, obviously my preparations have been rattled, so please bear with me. I basically wanted to talk, in terms of setting the stage about values in general. I'm sure we would all agree that in this day and age, the struggle that we have as parents and teachers is not about children's learning. It's about children's character. And it's so very important that the character education and morality is so critical need of the hour today that it needs to be brought to the heart of 21st century education. And like rightly pointed out by Dr. Vijayam, we are so grateful to our Prime Minister for the new education policy that brings the concept of Indianization and citizenship to the center stage of an educational framework. To be able to appreciate our own mother tongue, not be embarrassed in speaking in our mother tongue, and be accepted is something that every Indian needs to learn. To be proud of being an Indian. And I think with that, I would really thank again all of you for having me over and giving this opportunity to share my views. Thank you so much.
A very good evening to all of you. Outset, I take this opportunity to thank Hema Foundation for giving me this marvelous opportunity to be a part of this wonderful event. Fear made us feel powerless. While we cannot control our feelings, our thoughts, or the actions, we are not powerless. Shifting our attention towards these aspects of life that you can control can help restore our sense of confidence. I firmly believe that today's eloquent speaker, Dr. Mrs. Vijayam Ravi, must have given you the confidence through her inspirational talk. Let me conclude here with a message that you be a flower that does not think of competing the flower next to it. It just blooms with the confidence to live it to the fullest and spread happiness. Once again, I thank you all for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.